This way you don't lose any bolts. Always put the bolts back that you took out, put them back so you don't lose them. Learned that lesson a long time ago. $10 mils. Shit, I done fucked up my finger. Fuck. Damn it. Yeah, it's shot. When these go bad, it sounds like an old door hinge when you turn. And when they give out, say bye-bye to your driver's side fender or your passenger side fender, depending on which one is bad. and say goodbye to your axle as well. I'm about to turn this upside down and use this heavy ass hammer, this Thor hammer, and bang this baby out. End up putting a socket on it that I rarely use, and it worked out. So that's how you pretty much do your lower ball joints on an Acura TSX, let's say Acura Accord, a Honda Accord 03 to 07. It's pretty much the same steps as doing it on a DC or even an EG. But I'm about to give her a wash because I have not washed this car since I got in her. Most I've done is just buffed and polished her. So yeah, I'm gonna give her a quick wash really quick and that'll be it. Brake light is on for some odd weird reason. E-brake is down, but the brake light is on, and the brake reservoir is full. Always something with these cars, always. But yeah, you see it. I finally got a bumper. About damn time. Found it out here in Connecticut. Got the headlight support, just need the bumper support. Got the side skirts down here. Those are gonna get color matched also as well. What else? Took the valve cover off and I swapped it out for the powder coated black one. Also have the ITRs down here because Jerry coming to get them later on today or tomorrow to recoat them fresh white. So yep, still got them. These things ain't going nowhere. Somebody already tried to offer me $1,700 to buy them. Nope, not going nowhere. So yeah. Also have a 94 to 01 front bumper if anyone wants it. Me, Sin, and Goomer, we actually found it in the middle of the street. All the tabs are good, surprisingly, which is weird. A full bumper in the middle of the street on Sherman and Chapel Street. Just in the middle of the street, no lie. On my soul. See, I'm still waiting on my Ultra to get here. It look good with the black valve cover though. And the base still look good. Still look really fucking good. But yeah, that's the only thing that's holding me up to go get tuned by Marsh. Just waiting on that Ultra to get here in my throttle body. That's really all that's left. But I got plans for her. I already have things in motion already. Not much I have to do really. Clearly I need a headlight. Sound like the birds are chanting for me. But yeah, see you in the next one. You got it.